Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can mirror your iPhone or iPad screen onto your Windows PC completely free. So let's begin the video. So before I begin the video, there are some things that I need to tell you. So this software is free as compared to other softwares in the market, where either you have to buy a subscription or you're going to have the watermark of that particular mirroring software. For this software, this is completely free, but there are two downsides of it. First of all, you cannot stream at the highest quality. The quality will be good but not very good if you are a streamer in that case. The second thing is that you cannot stream audio in it. If like many screen mirroring software do that, they also mirror the iPhone's audio onto the PC, but this software doesn't do that. If you want to avail that option, you need to buy the subscription. But if you're just going to, like, if you're making a tutorial on how to use some feature of your iPhone and you want to record on your Windows PC, then I think this is the best option to go, because this software is free and it has less latency and it is working perfectly all right. But if you're more into like game streaming or something like that, in which you need high quality and audio as well, then you should go with some other paid software. If you want me to make a video, I will make a video on that. But for this is just for your normal users who just simply want to mirror their iPhone screen onto their Windows PC, like to show someone in a bigger screen, etc. So let's move towards our Windows PC and iPhone, and I'm going to show you what things are required. So here I am on my Windows PC. First of all, we're going to need an app which will actually going to enable us mirroring from our iPhone to our Windows PC. So we're going to open the store on our Windows 10. Here we're just simply going on the search bar, we're going to type store and it will automatically show Microsoft Store. So we're going to open it. So you're going to need Windows 10 in order to run this app. Anyways, on the top right side we got our search bar. Here we're going to type easy cast with no spacing between them, and we're going to search for it. So for the departments, you can just simply select apps if it is not showing the app, and here we're going to have this app. So I will also put this app's download link in the video description as well for your easiness. So we're going to open this app. So we can just simply press on install on the top right side. If in your case it's showing download, you can download as well. The process is same. So now it's going to download EasyCast software on our Windows PC. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to open or we're going to download the same app on our iPhone as well. So here I have my iPhone. All you need to do is to open the App Store and you're going to search for EasyCast here as well. And we're going to search for it. So here is the app. Here you can see this is the second one. We're going to press on it. In your case, it's going to show you the download. So I will also put this app's link in the video description as well. So we're just simply going to download and the download will start. So you need this app on both your Windows PC and your iOS device in which you want to mirror the screen. So I'm just going to place it until the download is complete. So you can see that the download on our Windows PC is complete. We're going to press on the launch button, and this is just the interface of your software. So it is quite a simple interface for the software, but it works. So I'm just waiting until the download is complete on our iOS device. So here you can see that EasyCast has installed on our iPhone as well. We're going to press on open. We're going to ask app not to track. So we're going to do is to press on the broadcast screen button. We're going to allow it. We're going to allow while using the app so that it can connect it. We're going to press on choose the device. If for some reason if your device is not shown here, what you can do is to press on this barcode button on your Windows PC. It will show a barcode, and here on your EasyCast app on the top right side you got this barcode option. The second one, you're going to press on it, and we're going to allow access to our camera, and it will automatically connect to our Windows PC. It will ask whether we want to broadcast our screen or not. So we're going to press on start broadcast and it will start. And here you can see that my Windows PC is broadcasting or mirroring the screen of my iPhone, as you can see right now. So this is how you can do it, guys. But again, the downside of this software is that it cannot broadcast audio, so that's the only downside. Other than that, you can do it very well, as you can see. So let me just open the game to show you. And you can use any third-party software on your Windows PC to record the screen if you want. So the audio that you are hearing right now is from the iPhone and not from our Windows PC, so this is the only downside of it. But other than that, the software works great. So here you can see there is a little bit latency, but not too much, and you can screen record your Windows PC from another third-party software. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you want me to make a video on other screen mirroring paid software which can deliver high quality video and audio as well, do tell me in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.